Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase crypto on the Bybit application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bybit application on your device. And after you have logged in using your credentials, you will end up within the homepage. Now you may tap on the deposit button at the homepage right away. And then from the crypto option, you can choose Bitcoin. You can also go into the assets menu and then choose the deposit option. Then choose the deposit crypto option to directly purchase your Bitcoin. After making your selection, you can now enter the crypto that you wish to buy. Just enter the amount that you wish to spend, or you can also tap on the swap button to enter the quantity of crypto. After entering your desired amount, you can tap on the next button and then choose your payment method. After selecting your payment method, tap on the buy option and you will simply need to enter the details of your payment method that you have selected. If you have chosen your credit or debit card, enter your email address, your first and your last name, as well as your date of birth and your card number. Then enter the expiration date and the CVV number, and finally click on the checkbox to confirm that your details are correct. Once you tap on continue, the amount will be deducted and your chosen crypto will be purchased and deposited within your assets section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Bitcoin or any crypto on the Bybit application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.